Newly released documents from the U.S. Department of Justice have revealed a startling detail in the investigation into the death of Jeffrey Epstein, the convicted sex offender who died in federal custody in 2019. According to FBI forensic
she said
records,
FBI records
one of the
weren't
prison guards
accurate.
assigned to monitor Epstein
She didn't recall
searched
looking him
the
up at
internet
all,
for information
but the
about
searches
him
are
minutes
just the
before
beginning.
He was discovered dead in
Chase
his
Bank
jail
filed
cell.
a suspicious activity
Guards
report
searched
on Noel's
latest
account
on
in
Epstein
November
in jail.
2019.
The correctional
12
officer,
cash
Tova Noel,
deposits
was
starting
working at the
April
Metropolitan
2018.
Correctional Center in Manhattan
The largest,
on the night Epstein died.
$5,000 on
FBI
July
records
30th,
show that Noel typed the
2019,
phrase "latest
just
on Epstein
11
in jail"
days before
into a
Epstein
search engine
died.
at 5:42
Records
a.m.
show
on
7
the 10th of
deposits
August
totaling
2019. She reportedly conducted
$11,880.
another similar search
Noel
at
started working in
5:52
Epstein's housing
a.m.
unit on July 7th.
Less than 40 minutes later,
The
her
timeline
colleague
is
Michael
tight.
Thomas discovered Jeffrey
Breaking
Epstein
news from
hanging
New York.
in his cell
New
at
DOJ
approximately
documents
6:30
just
a.m.
dropped a
The
bombshell
discovery
in the
triggered one
Jeffrey
of the most
Epstein
controversial
case.
death investigations
One of the guards
in
on
recent
duty the
American
night he
history.
died Googled
Noel
him
denied
minutes
making the
before his
searches.
body was found.
During a sworn
And
interview
that's
with the
not all.
Department of Justice in
Tova
2021,
Noel was working the
Noel
overnight
denied
shift at
ever
the
searching for
Metropolitan
Epstein
Correctional
online.
Center on August
According
10th,
to the transcript,
2019.
she told investigators,
She and another guard were
"I
supposed to
don't
check
remember
on
doing
Epstein
that.
every
I
30
don't recall
minutes.
looking him up."
Instead,
She also
prosecutors
suggested that
say
the
she
FBI's
shopped for
computer
furniture
records may
online
not
and
have been accurate.
snoozed. The other
Guards
guy browsed
accused of
motorcycles.
falsifying records.
At 5:42
At the time
a.m.,
of Epstein's
Noel
death,
searched
Noel and Thomas
latest
were
on
responsible
Epstein
for
in
monitoring
jail.
inmates in the
She
prison's
searched again
special
at
housing
5:52
unit.
a.m. 40
Investigators
minutes
later
later,
accused
at
both guards of
6:30 a.m.,
falsifying
her
official prison
colleague
records,
found Epstein
claiming
dead
they
in
had
his
conducted
cell,
regular inmate checks
hanged,
throughout the night,
with
when in
strips
fact
of
they
orange
had not.
cloth.
The
When
two
questioned
officers
by
were
the
later
DOJ
fired
in
from the Bureau of
2021,
Prisons.
Noel denied
Federal
it.
prosecutors
"I
initially
don't remember
charged them
doing
with
that," she
falsifying
claimed.
records, but the criminal charges were eventually dropped after both agreed to a deferred prosecution agreement. Suspicious bank deposits also flagged. The newly released Justice Department files also included financial records that raised questions about Noel's bank activity. A suspicious activity report, filed by J.P. Morgan Chase in November 2019, flagged multiple cash deposits made into Noel's account. Records show 12 cash deposits beginning in April 2018. The largest deposit, $5,000 on the 30th of July 2019. That deposit occurred just 10 days before Epstein's death. Documents made public show 7 deposits totaling $11,880 from December 2018 onward. Investigators did not publicly link the deposits directly to Epstein's death, but the transactions were flagged as unusual. Surveillance footage raises more questions. The Justice Department files also reference an internal FBI briefing about surveillance footage from the night before Epstein died. Investigators believe Noel may be the unidentified person seen on blurry surveillance video near Epstein's cell around 10:40 p.m. According to the report, the figure appeared to be carrying linen or inmate clothing toward the area where Epstein was housed. The FBI wrote that this moment was the last time any correctional officer approached the entrance to the special housing unit tier. Noel denied providing linen. Epstein was later found hanging with strips of orange cloth, believed to have been torn from prison-issued fabric. However, Noel denied giving any linen to inmates during her shift. She told investigators, "I never gave out linen ever." She added that distributing linens was typically the responsibility of the earlier shift, not hers. Noel also said the last time she saw Epstein alive was sometime after 10 p.m. Violations of prison policy. Correctional staff familiar with prison procedures have previously said that a guard entering the special housing unit alone would violate standard prison policy. The unidentified figure seen on surveillance video believed by investigators to be Noel has been a major source of speculation since the footage became public. A 2023 Inspector General report referred to the individual only as unidentified correctional officers. A death still surrounded by questions. Epstein's death was officially ruled a suicide, but the circumstances surrounding the incident, including guard misconduct, missing surveillance footage, and procedural failures, have continued to fuel public skepticism. The newly released Justice Department documents add another layer to a case that remains one of the most scrutinized prison deaths in modern American history.